In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to display a quote banner in GoDaddy website. By the end, you'll know exactly how to place a polished quote banner on your site using GoDaddy's website builder, perfect for highlighting testimonials or a short, inspirational line. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Google. In the search bar, type GoDaddy. This is a quick way to get to the official site without needing to remember the exact URL. From the search results, click the official GoDaddy website. If you see sponsored results, just make sure you're choosing the real GoDaddy domain to keep things secure. Once you're on the site, sign in to your account. Enter your login details and complete any security prompts. After you've signed in, look to the top right corner of the page and click your username. In that account menu, choose My Products. This is where all your GoDaddy services live, including your websites. In the product list, locate the website you want to work on and select it. That will open the website editor. Give it a moment to load. GoDaddy will bring you into the visual editing environment where you can add, remove, or rearrange sections. Now, navigate to the spot on your page where you want the quote banner to appear. Click the plus icon to add a section. If you click the plus that's between existing sections, the new section will slot right in at that position, which helps keep your layout organized. A panel will open with section categories. Click General to see commonly used building blocks. From there, select Quote. This category groups layouts designed specifically for short statements and testimonials, so everything is already formatted to look great with minimal effort. Next, choose Display a Quote Banner. This layout is designed to make a single quote stand out with clear typography and a strong visual style. When you add it, it will drop directly into your page where you placed the section. After it appears, you'll see options to edit the text and style. Keep your quote concise so it reads well at a glance. If you include an author or source, make sure it's accurate and spelled correctly. For design, aim for strong contrast between the text and background, and preview on mobile to confirm the quote stays readable on smaller screens. That's it. You opened GoDaddy from Google, signed in, went to My Products, chose your site, added a section, navigated to General, selected Quote, and picked Display a Quote Banner. Follow these steps anytime you want to spotlight a powerful line on your site.